Once upon a time in a small ville, there lived a wise old man named Samuel. Samuel was known throughout the village for his wisdom and his capability to help people lead fulfilling lives. He had a particular knack for tutoring people on how to manage themselves effectively. One day, a youthful man named Ethan approached Samuel seeking guidance. Ethan was floundering with his life. He felt overwhelmed by his liabilities, demanded direction, and frequently set up himself procrastinating and feeling demotivated. He wanted to change but did not know where to start. Samuel smiled at Ethan and invited him to sit down. He began to tell him a story numerous times agone. "I was much like you, Ethan. I too plotted to manage myself effectively. But also, met an old gardener who tutored me on a precious assignment about life and tone operation. This gardener had the most beautiful theater in the entire ville. People would come from far and wide to respect its lush verdure and vibrant flowers. I asked him one day, 'How do you manage to keep your theater so magnificent?' The old gardener smiled and replied, 'I do not just tend to my theater, I tend to myself as well.' He explained that in order to watch for his theater, he'd to first watch for himself. He demanded to be chastened, chaste, and active. He'd wake up beforehand every morning to water the shops, pull out the weeds, and give them the right nutrients. He also demanded to cover the theater from pests and harsh rainfall. Also, Ethan, the gardener continued, if you want to lead a fulfilling life, you must learn to manage yourself first. You're like a theater, and your pretensions and dreams are the shops within it. To nurture them, you need discipline, tolerance, and fidelity. Ethan, as you manage yourself, flash back these principles. Know yourself just as the gardener knew the requirements of each factory. You must understand your strengths, sins, and values. This tone, mindfulness, will guide your opinions. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in life, just as the gardener planted specific flowers and vegetables. Clear pretensions will give your life direction. Prioritize. Focus on the most important tasks, just as the gardener tended to the most vital shops first. Avoid distractions and time-wasting conditioning. Learn continuously just as the gardener learned about new gardening ways. Keep learning and perfecting your chops. Acclimatize to change. Be flexible and adaptable like the gardener who acclimated his care grounded on the rainfall. Life is full of changes, and you must learn to navigate them. Seek help just as the gardener sought advice from others. Do not be hysterical to seek guidance from instructors or experts when demanded. Celebrate successes like the gardener appreciating the beauty of his theater. Take time to celebrate your achievements along the way. Flashback, Ethan. Managing oneself is like tending to a theater. With care, industriousness, and a focus on growth, you can cultivate a fulfilling and beautiful life. Ethan heeded attentively to Samuel's story and advice. He left that day with a newfound sense of purpose and determination. He knew that by managing himself effectively, he could produce a life that was as beautiful and fulfilling as the gardener's theater. And so, Ethan began his trip of tone operation, applying the assignments he'd learned from Samuel and the wise old gardener. Over time, his life converted, just like a well-tended theater flourishing with beauty and cornucopia.